All right, this is the process of transforming my backyard into a cash producing farm. Like you can see, this used to be flower beds, and we just uh, transform it into a raised bed area where we're going to put our tomatoes, cucumbers, and our vegetables. So this is not the most beautiful. We not really care about uh, making the most beautiful bed. The only thing we care about is being able to fill this with soil and compost and have beautiful tomatoes coming out and peppers. So this is an update. So if you like to see, or we make our raised bed out of pallets, make sure you choose the heat treated pallet, the one that does not have any chemicals. It's a heat treated pallet wood, and some spare wood. We make those raised bed, and we not spending any more money that we need to. This is not the most beautiful backyard oasis. Is not the idea. The idea here is to have food growing in this area. Unfortunately, this is a paved backyard where we have to walk on raised bed, so we cannot, dig or anything. And this is the only area that we have that has soil on it, and we still raise it up, and then we're about to put beautiful fruits, tomatoes, and everything. This is wild berries, grows in our property in upstate New York, the Catskill. We took this one and bring it down here in New York City, so we're not sure if it's going to do anything, produce anything. Hopefully it does not die. Okay, this is the process of a raised bed. So now we're going to get some soil and to fill it up a little bit, and so that we can plant. We need to start with our spinach ASAP. We used to have flowers here, so we dig some unnecessary flowers, those things out. We have them for sale on Facebook Marketplace, and then we leave this flower. The reason we leave this is because this is about to bloom, and then this is going to be a great help for pollination, or for the pollinators, the bees, and things like that, to help us with pollination. This is another one. We thin it out a little bit because this flower can go wild, so we're gonna keep up with it. This is another one, and yeah, this is it. This is not the most beautiful flower bed, okay, but the idea is to have food, and we'll be able to sell some with our neighbors and friends, and share with friends and family members. Now, you saw our onions already, so we would have to show you our onions. Probably know about our onions. Hey Manny, say hi to the public. So this is Manny Luke. He's the electrician and then the carpenter that help us build this raised bed here. So this is it. I'll keep you updated. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe, share with friends and family members, because we are building a cash producing farm and microgreens combined with our field farm in upstate New York. So this is upstate New York is the main farm. This is an extension of our farm in upstate New York. So we are going to have a big cornfield combined with a small 1 acre vegetable in upstate New York. And this is an extension, so where we can have some stuff here for friends, family members in New York City. So mainly this farm is going to be a microgreen farm, and this garage over here, and we already have our equipment. We're waiting for our seeds so that we can start. Okay, so if you like to see the process of having a urban farm in New York City, this is it. You're in the right channel. Make sure you like it, subscribe, and send a friends, family member. Ask question. I mean, we're learning along the way. We are not perfect. I've never been farming my life before. If you're looking for advice about farming, you are in the wrong place. But if you like to learn from my mistakes, I think you are in the right place, because I'm going to make a lot of mistakes, and then you do not have to do them or repeat them yourself. Take care now. It's Mark here. Have a good day.